Hey guys, what's up? It's time to do a gaming test of the new Oppo A52, and this is a new mid-range phone from Oppo which is costing around almost 35,000 PKR in Pakistan market. And guys, in this price range we get a Snapdragon 665 chipset with 4GB of RAM with a 128GB of internal storage, which is also UFS 2.1 internal storage. And guys, and the chipset, it is based on 11nm architecture, the Samsung Galaxy A21s, which give you a Samsung Exynos 850 chipset. And I already done the gaming test of the Samsung Galaxy A21s. If you are interested, watch that. And guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how is the gaming performance of the Oppo A52, and this phone give you a 6.5-inch Full HD IPS LCD display, which is a lot better that we get on the Samsung Galaxy A21s, which is coming at a 720p TFT display. Yes, this phone give you a TFT display, at the brightness and the colors. I don't like the brightness level as well as the color, and the colors, it is not as vivid that we get on the IPS LCD display. But one thing which I really like on the Oppo A52, which is not available on the Samsung Galaxy A21s, and the Oppo A52 give you a dual speaker. One is on the bottom and second is on the earpiece, and you can see I find this feature when I am using the PUBG Mobile game off camera. And guys, in this video I'm gonna using these two games, and the first is the Asphalt 9 Legend and the second is the PUBG Mobile. Now let's play the Asphalt 9, and this phone also comes with a Adreno 610 GPU, and this phone give you a dual speakers, but the speaker quality, it is not the best in this price range for a single speaker. But we get a dual speaker, and you can see we have a dual speaker, one speaker on in the earpiece and one on the bottom, and the speaker, it is also very loud as well, and you get some little bit bass that is not available on the Samsung Galaxy A21s. Now let's go to the settings and go to the game settings, sound display, and you can see I set the video quality on default because most of the people will use this game on a default setting. Now let's go back, and now let's play some levels for checking out the gaming performance of this phone. And you can see I see a little bit lag, which I don't see on the Samsung Galaxy A21s, and you can see in the game it is not run very smooth as compared to the Samsung Galaxy A21s. But I would say that the speaker quality, it is better on the Oppo A52, but the gameplay, it is better on the Samsung Galaxy A21s. But these are not the best phone that you get in this price range, which I also say in my last video, which is on the Samsung Galaxy A21s gaming test. And you can see, and now game, it is little bit better, I have to say, but we don't get any 60 fps mode which is available on my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and this is a mid-range phone. But the display, it is better, and the speaker, it is better on the Oppo A52. But as far as the gaming performance, I have to say, and the Samsung Galaxy A21s, it is just a tiny bit better. And you can see now we have some little bit frame drop, but you can do some light gaming on this phone, but I won't recommend this phone for gaming again. And guys, also this Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 chipset is not very efficient. It is based on 11nm compared to a 8nm that we get on the Samsung Galaxy A21s, and definitely the gaming performance, it is just a tiny bit better on the A21s. That definitely the Samsung Galaxy A21s, it is definitely winner in the Asphalt 9 Legend game. So now let's see the PUBG Mobile game after the Asphalt 9 Legends. And guys, now let's go to the settings and go to the graphics option, and you can see you get a smooth graphics with high frame rate, and also you get a balanced graphics with medium frame rate. But the HD, it is not available on this phone, which is available on the Samsung Galaxy A21s, and you can see. And now let's play this game on smooth graphics with high frame rate, and I set the style on the colorful. Now let's go back, and now let's play, and you can see in the game it is run pretty good on this phone, but not as good as the Samsung Galaxy A21s, which is also give you a ultra frame rate option as well. And guys, also I see some heating issue on the Oppo A52 when I record some videos with their camera app, stop recording. I don't know why this phone does not give you a smooth experience in the software as well. Yes, I see some little bit lag. And you can see I see some little bit lag as well as the frame drops. And guys, now let's play one more time. And guys, in the second round, now let's go to the settings and go to the graphics, and now let's play second round on the balanced graphic with medium frame rate. But the Samsung Galaxy A21s give you a HD graphics with high frame rate, which is not available on the Oppo A52. And now let's play. And you can see we have some little bit frame drop as well as some lags. Definitely this one is not made for gaming. And also I really impressed by the speaker quality of this phone in this price range. And some company does not give you a dual speaker in this price range. The performance, it is not better on this phone. Snapdragon 665 chipset with Adreno 610, it is not doing pretty well for gaming. Definitely the device is more warmer than the Samsung Galaxy A21s. And guys, you can see that overall I have to say regarding the gaming performance of the Oppo A52, and you can see this phone does not give you a very good gaming performance than the Samsung Galaxy A21s. And I would say that the Samsung Galaxy A21s, it is better in terms of the gaming device than the Oppo A52. But I have to say again, the A21s, it is not made for gaming. I like the camera performance of the Samsung Galaxy A21s as well as the battery life. And guys, I would recommend the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 as well as the Realme 6i. And that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this gaming test of the Oppo A52. Overall, the Oppo A52, it is not doing good in terms of the gaming device. I feel a little bit more warmer heating issue than the Samsung Galaxy A21s, which I feel it is normal on the A21s. So follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.